Welcome to our Seneca software tutorial series. In this video, we are going to show to use the different kinds of dataset locking functions. Now, let's get started. First step, open the demo GmbH dataset. Second step, select the P&L subtree. Third step, click on Business Logic mode. You will get a question, lock the whole tree? If you select yes, the whole dataset will be locked. Fourth and final step, go back to planning mode, then click on Business Logic mode again. This time, select that you don't want to lock the whole tree. You can see that the P&L subtree is locked. And that is how you can use the different kinds of dataset locking functions in Seneca. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.